Hey y'all, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make the most flavorful, tender jerk chicken wings. And these are baked, you guys, and they're so good. So if you want to see it, be sure to keep on watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and let's make these wings. So you already know the routine. I am about to clean these wings. Okay, I use lime, you can use lemon as well, and a little bit of vinegar if you don't have lemon, or if you have both, you can use both. Okay, what I am going to do is just scrub the lemon or the lime on the chicken wings, and then we're going to rinse them. Now there's some yellow stuff on the wings. I just don't like that part. Okay, I like to scrub my chicken wings. So if you don't clean your wings, whatever you do with it, do not tell me in the comment that I cannot clean my wings that I am going to eat, that's going in my stomach.
Okay.
So once you're done cleaning it, just wash it with rinse it with some water. Once you're done rinsing it, I am going to rinse it again because, as you guys can see, I was filming outside. I wasn't in a sink or anything, so I'm going to rinse it again twice. Once I am done, I am going to take it out, put it in a different dish, and then I will be patting it dry with some napkin. And this is your clean chicken wings. Now this is the marinade you need to make your jerk chicken. You need some onions, green onion, thyme, ginger, garlic, scotch bonnet, what else? Come on. I added 2 scotch bonnet in there, and no, I did not add the seeds. The seeds are super hot. I do not want that hotness in my life, boo. So I removed them. Here I am adding some dry thyme. This is pepper. Next I will be adding some allspice. You need that if you're making jerk chicken. Okay, I added about, I'll say, 2 tablespoons. Next, what I am adding, I'm adding some ground nutmeg. Okay, you need all of that good old spice. Here I am adding cinnamon. Okay, now I am adding some light brown sugar. If you have dark brown sugar, you can add that as well. Here I am adding some soy sauce. You need all of that. Again, I am adding some more lemon juice. I am adding 2 whole lemon. You can add lime juice in there as well. Okay, just squeeze that in there, honey. Squeeze it in there. Once you're done, you're going to add some salt. You need salt for sure to eat your chicken. Now I am adding some oil. Once you're done, just blend that all up together until it's nice and smooth. You don't want any chunks in there. You want it to be nice and smooth. Okay, all right, now we're going to pour that all over this chicken, honey. We want to let this marinate for 8 hours, or you can overnight this. You can let it marinate overnight. I didn't have time for that. I let it marinate overnight. So if you're making this for dinner, wake up early in the morning, real quick, put your chicken out the night before, clean it, and then marinate your chicken. You can even make the marinating overnight or the night before, and then just marinate this chicken, let it sit. Once you come back from work, you can make some good old chicken wings, honey. Okay, this is it. Just mix it all together, cover it with some saran wrap, put it in the fridge for 8 hours. Okay, all right, 8 hours later, this is how they look. I am going to bake them on 425 for 35 to 40 minutes. And I'm so sorry, I forgot to mention in the beginning, you have to leave a little bit of the marinating. This is it right here, so you can go back and add some more on the chicken. this is the chicken about 20 minutes in the baking process. I take it out and take the marinating, spread it all over the chicken once again, and then we're going to bake it. Okay, that's what I did, so you can get more flavor on the chicken. So once you're done, this is how your chicken look, nice and golden brown. It gives you like a dark color, but it's not burnt, okay? It's just the color of the chicken once it's done baking. Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here. I appreciate all the love. Please comment down below any suggestion, any question that you have for me. Share the video, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys on my next video tomorrow. Bye.